Does Discount Tire do alignments? No, Discount Tire does not offer wheel alignment services at any of its locations. While they specialize in tires and wheels, they do not provide alignment services. Below is a detailed breakdown of what Discount Tire offers and alternatives for alignments. 1. Does Discount Tire perform wheel alignments? No, Discount Tire does not provide wheel alignments, suspension services, brake services. 2. Why doesn't Discount Tire offer alignments? Discount Tire focuses solely on tire sales, tire installation, tire balancing, tire rotation, flat tire repair. Their business model is designed to specialize in tires and wheels, leaving services like alignments to other automotive service providers. 3. What services does Discount Tire offer? New tire sales and installation, tire rotation and balancing, flat tire repair TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, services, wheel and rim sales, tire inspections. 4. Where can you get a wheel alignment? If you need a wheel alignment, you can visit auto repair shops like Firestone, Pep Boys, and Midas. Dealership service centers for your specific vehicle make. Full-service tire shops like Les Schwab or Goodyear. 5. Why is wheel alignment important? Wheel alignment is crucial for even tire wear, improved handling and steering, better fuel efficiency, longer tire life. 6. How often should you get a wheel alignment? It's recommended to get a wheel alignment every 6,000 to 8,000 miles or as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer after hitting a curb, pothole, or accident that might misalign your wheels. When you notice uneven tire wear or steering issues. 7. Can you buy tires at Discount Tire and get an alignment elsewhere? Yes, many customers buy tires from Discount Tire for competitive pricing and service. Get alignments done at a trusted mechanic or auto service shop afterward. 8. Does Discount Tire recommend alignment services? While they don't offer alignments, Discount Tire often recommends getting an alignment done after installing new tires to ensure even wear and better performance. Discount Tire specializes in tire sales, installation, and maintenance, but does not perform wheel alignments. For alignment services, you'll need to visit a full-service auto repair shop or dealership after purchasing and installing your tires at Discount Tire.